It is October 1st, and somebody's on my camera. I randomly got on Pinterest, not randomly, I actually get on Pinterest like every day, but I got on Pinterest this morning and I found this cute little video. It had like 3 little fall different do-it-yourself type things that are like super easy, but I am off to get everything that I need. Here's my list. I'm gonna go to Lowe's to get basically the one thing I want to make is like 2 fall little trees for the front porch. You have to use like, what are they called? I'm gonna get 2 tomato cages and 2 planter pots. Basically that's gonna make the tree. And then I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and get the fall-ish garland. I'm gonna see if they have like a burlap maybe ribbon or burlap sack or something that I could put the black pot in. And then what else? Oh, and then there is another section of the video that was like wooden blocks basically. Don't really know, but I'm gonna get orange spray paint and get like I think we have painter's tape somewhere, but if not I'll get some, and then like make designs on them, and then I'll drill a hole in the top of the wood, put a stick, and then like put a ribbon around the stick to make it like look like a pumpkin. To Coleman, I'm gonna go to this really good, like, it's kind of like Nuke's, but it's not. I like their stuff better. I'm gonna get myself a nice lunch, go to Hobby Lobby, Lowe's, and I think that will be it. And come home and work on my trees. But yeah, I just saw those and thought I want to do that. Because like I said, in my Instagram post, if you keep up with me there, I'm trying to like be more creative and stuff like that. So this is gonna make me really excited. So I will see y'all later. Okay, I am back from my outing. It's like maybe 3-ish or something like that. Yeah, I got everything that I needed to make these trees and those little wooden pumpkin things. And I also went to get lunch at a coffee shop. I got a chicken salad sandwich, potato salad, and they had the best homemade lemonade. Oh my god, like if I could buy that at like the gallon, like it was better than Chick-fil-A, no kidding. Anyways, and then I went to a little boutique that is up there that I frequently go to. Seems like I've been going there, like, I always go on Fridays. That's like my favorite place to go. It's just like bump around, even though the boutique always gets new stuff. And then there's another shop that I just go into just because I just like going in there. They don't really get new inventory a lot, but I enjoy going in there and just looking at things. Didn't get anything there, but and yeah, I went to Lowe's, Lowe's and Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I will show y'all everything that I got first, and then I've got to figure out how to get the tomato cage, what is it called? Things to go on these pots. I'm really not sure about that. Hopefully this girl that I found on Pinterest, she'll give me more in-depth. This is not a good angle. This is not a good angle either. Whatever, who cares? She'll give me a little bit more details about how to do that. Everything else I should be able to just get. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got. Yeah. Okay, so these are the tomato things. They were at Lowe's. They were in the outdoor section by like the front by the lawnmowers. But yeah, it's the 33-inch tomato cage. But yeah, so then you just get hello. And then you just tie like with a rubber band, which I don't think I even have. I'll figure it out. And then, yeah, you just literally put this on top of those pots that I got. This is for the second project. That's for the second project. And then I got 2 pots for those. So there's those. And then this is for the second project as well. It's just a like army green type ribbon. I got this. I hope this even works. But I got these. Got this to wrap around the pots. I don't really know. We'll just play with it. And then I got pipe cleaners to somehow, I think you have to like tie these around. I got them just in case, really. She didn't say you needed these, but I got them just in case that I need something. And then I got 8 of these. 8 of these suckers. They were on sale at Hobby Lobby, so thank the God. But super cool. Yay! But yeah, there are a lot. I feel like a weirdo checking out with these at Hobby Lobby, but pretty cool. I thought Thomas was here. But yeah, I mean, that'll be so cute, y'all. And then I'll get some lights that's under the house in one of our Christmas boxes. And we'll have some fall trees that will be reusable. So now I'm just gonna look up the directions and we'll go from there. I don't have any rubber bands, so hair tie is gonna have to work. But yeah, I mean, they turned out, you can't really see them, but they turned out pretty good. So yeah, let's get to putting the garland around the tomato cage. Alright, so just an update. You ain't gonna focus, are you? No, you're not. On this little rubber band. Come on. Nope. Nope. I don't know why I have such a hard time with this manual focus. Come on. Oh my gosh, what is wrong? Anyways, it's a rubber band, okay? And then I did hot glue around this because I just thought that would be secure in like moving in afterwards, like after the holidays and stuff like that. I thought it would be safer instead of it just like completely coming apart. So yeah, don't you just think that's just beautiful? I did such a great job. Okay, and then I found rocks that was in this over there. We had that, just like extra rocks that I don't even know where these came from, but anyways, I used those because sometimes it does get windy up here on the porch, on the front porch at least. So I put rocks in there just so they won't fall over. All right, so that's where we're at. Just wanted to give you an update. Okay, so I suggest putting the lights on first because I would only imagine that the weight of the lights going on top of the leaves would have made it just not look as good, but it actually turned out a lot better than what I was thinking at the beginning. I was like, oh my god, this is gonna look terrible. I don't know why this looks like crap, but it looks good. I mean, there's definitely some like holes here and there, but it's fine, y'all. I mean, it wasn't, this stuff was the most expensive part, but it was on sale. So yeah, now I'm gonna put the burlap, I think, like on the bottom, just like probably just hot glue it on or something, but I think that will make it cute. So So that is what they looked like at night. I finished them at like 8 something, so I will show y'all what they look like in the daytime, but I think they turned out really good. And like I said, the most expensive, my camera died, so I had to get a new battery, but like I said, the most expensive thing was the garland, but at Hobby Lobby right now, as of October 1st, it was 45 or 40% off. So it's not a bad thing. And yes, I have this like red thing because I wiped my makeup off. Henry hurt his little, what is it called, like his thumb basically. He was running around in the backyard and it snagged, and it's like hanging on, but it was like fixing to like not be okay. But he's okay. He like didn't whimper or anything, but I feel so bad for him, because that's like, you know, if we lose a toenail or something like that hurts. So he is licking it. But yeah, so yeah, I will show y'all what my little fall trees look like in the daytime, but I think they look really good at night. So yeah, they're so cute. I got the wrong garland. That stuff I got just does not work. So, not garland, ribbon. It's not even ribbon. I should have gotten actual ribbon. So that might be something I'll get later on or something, because, you know what? I think I might have some. Hold on. I think I might have some in this bag up here. I'm fixing to look, because if so, I'm changing it tomorrow. But yeah, I, just, hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, that's not enough. Wait, I have this. It has sparkles on it. That might look, it might not be enough. Actually, we'll try that tomorrow. We'll try this tomorrow, because what I got is like a sheet and it does not tie. I have Christmas ribbon. But yeah, we'll try this tomorrow and see if that works out better. But yeah, anyways, I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye!